and yeast. To start with the water, guys, I got a question for you guys. Make a guess. How many percentage you think a Heineken beer consists of water? Anyone?
80%.
What, 80?
Yeah.
It's a bit more. It's 92. 92% of Heineken beer is water, so that's a lot. It's a very important ingredient. So I want to use the best water we can get, of course. I want to use clear water. Just imagine Heineken, you got breweries all over the world. And of course the water will differ from country to country, from water company to water company. So, and we want to brew the same beer no matter where. So Heineken always treats water again in our brewery, and they're going to deliver with all water systems to purify it to get the same high level no matter where the beer is brewed. This is about the water. I'm going to tell you a bit more about the other three, the barley. The barley you can see in the picture on your right, and over there on your left. It's a cereal I think everyone's familiar with, but what does the barley do for the beer? The barley gives the beer the golden color and the sweetness. I got this in these little cups, you can all taste it if you like. It's actually quite good. You can taste the sugars of it. And what do we do with the barley? Well, at first we roast the barley, and the longer you roast the barley, the darker the barley will get, of course, but also the darker the beer will get. So for example, dark beer, they've been roasting the barley a lot longer. And as we do for a Heineken, because for a Heineken we want to have a clear golden barley. Oh, and after we roast the barley, we crush the barley. And look what happens, this white stuff comes out. This white stuff is called starch. The starch contains sugars, the sweetness of the barley. When the starch is out, we add it to the water. We heat the water for a couple of hours so the water will extract the taste of the barley. Eventually we filter it. And then we will end up with a very sweet natural drink which is called wort. And wort is the half product of the beer. In the next brewery room you can all taste the wort, you can all taste the sweetness of it. And we all recognize it doesn't taste like a beer at all. It's way too sweet for a beer and it misses the bitterness of a beer. That's because we have it at the hops yet. Because the hops gives the beer the bitter aroma, the bitter flavor you all know from a beer. And the hops you can see in the picture on the right, over there on the left. It becomes a very tall tree. So our special tree can grow about 30 centimeters a day and get up to 8 meters high. But this is the part we use. This part, we only use this part, the flower, the female part of the tree. Because next to its flavor, of course, it also consists a natural preservative, which is called lupulin. And because of the lupulin, we don't have to add any artificial additives to increase the shelf life of Heineken beer. With these strictly natural products, we can keep a Heineken beer for over a year. So because of the hops. For a small summary, you get the water for the liquid, of course, the barley for the golden color and the sweetness, the hops for the bitterness and as a preservative. If you mix these three together, you end up with a fine bittersweet drink. But this drink, you can't call it a beer yet. There's still two important things missing before we can call it a beer at this point. What do we miss? Alcohol is right, and one more thing. The bubbles in here, the carbon dioxide. So, because we want alcohol and bubbles, and this is what the yeast takes care of. But as you can see, we've got a yeast in the log.